We're at the start of something. Something big.
You think?
Morello tried to kill the Don. Not Tommy, not Polly, not anyone regular. The Don. It's gonna be war.
Hey, you're needed up the stairs. I'll go straight up. It's war time. From today, we are at war.
Haven't seen any trouble just yet. Keeping out of trouble, I hope.
I want guards and lookouts round the clock. Here, the warehouse, and all our businesses.
How about people under our protection?
Forget.
Our guy's in place.
Good.
We're finally going after him.
Soon. But first we have to soften him up. Morello's got the cops, the politicians, and even some judges in his pocket. We can't afford to bite them all off, so we need to scare them into abandoning Morello's sinking ship.
We bump off the right idiot. The rest are going to realize sticking with Morello ain't too good for their health.
First in line for the pine box is this asshole, Galati. The councilor's still seeing red over his dead kid, so he's never going to turn on Morello.
Christ. That guy's been giving us fits since 32. Let me take care of him, boss.
Why do you think you're here? Then he's got it all figured out.
The councilor is celebrating his birthday with a big shindig on a steamboat. He's pulling out all the stops, booze, broads, fireworks. He's even giving a speech to the press.
What kind of security?
Just in normal detail, a few guys with Roscoe's. None of the other fellas are gonna do dick to protect that piece of shit.
Okay. I'll talk my way into the party, put two in his head.
Slow down, Junior. Galati's corrupt, but he ain't stupid. His crew be searching everyone who comes on board, so you can't be carried.
So, what? Throw him overboard, see if he can swim.
Don't go getting creative on me. You're still going to shoot him, for fuck's sake. When you get on deck, you make for the head. We got a janitor on the take, and he's planted a revolver in the bathroom.
And then you just cool your heels. Mingle. Try not to look like a hatchet man until Galati makes his appearance. You wait for that bastard to start his speech, and only then do you put one between his eyes.
We want it done in public to get people talking.
Sure. But you got a plan for getting back to shore?
Sam and Paulie are down the docks working on that. You meet up with them there, and they'll fill you in on the rest of the details.
Okay. Galati's done, boss. You won't have to worry about him after tonight.
I don't doubt it, Tommy.
Buona fortuna, Tom.
But Vivini told me I gotta stay around the bar for my own safety. Gotta get a new car for the Don pinched from someplace too. He only wants the best.
Attention, folks, attention. We'll get you all aboard, but we will need to see tickets.
The finest family in the city.
No doubt in my mind. Who's done more?
And all this after the loss of his son.
Terrence! You got an invite too? Oh, did you hear there's gonna be fireworks?
Dottie.
The lodge.
Yes.
The lodge is like a family to him.
Who is
He reads
this,
his paper,
Terrence?
he smokes one
I'm
of
not
the
sure
crusty
we've been
cigars.
introduced.
I'm not allowed to know much about it, of course.
Dorothy,
I'm sure
this
they'll get up to
is my
mischief.
wife,
Are you
Barbara.
quite sure?
Oh, sure you are. Heard all about you.
Yes.
I could do with some new shoes.
You don't look like a guy with an invite.
I got friends. Just not these kind of friends.
Well, I'll tell you what I got. Sailor back there who works on the steamer. His head hit something heavy. But his dandy white suit's fine.
Thanks. I'll go find him.
The guys on the shop floor say they're gonna strike. Now, clearly, I didn't hear this from them. Just whispers. But I told Frank straight away. Companies all do. He shouted me down. Asked if I hadn't seen all the violence in the papers, the death down south. Of course I had. But you have to put down this kind of thinking. All the language they know.
Know you'd get a real job someday. So remember, play it cool. When you've gone some ways over the water, find the gun. The janitor stashed it in the bathroom.
Sure.
Then get up on the roof. Wait for Galati's speech, pop him when he's done.
And how do I get away?
Polly's borrowed a speedboat. After the speech, there's fireworks. We'll come soon as we've seen them.
You better be there on time.
Don't worry. It'll go smooth like eggs and coffee.
Looking good, Tom. If the outfit don't get messed up, keep it. Suits you.
Come on. You got a party to go to.
You the new guy? Christ, you took your time.
You think he's gonna pull this off?
He's sure as shit gonna kill Galati. Getting off that boat? Well, he's gonna need a guardian angel.
You don't need no fucking angel. He's got us looking out for him.
Hey, you almost done?
Yeah. Was gonna go clean the bathrooms. Heard some guests complaining.
You're volunteering to clean toilets? Whatever. You got a rag there. Check every deck.
Don't I know you from someplace?
Nah, don't think so.
I swear I know you. Were you with the Union, maybe?
Sorry, buddy, I'm from out of town.
I think I got him in trouble. Anyone seems to be on the boat ride.
Yeah. And us.
think you're something you're not?
He's a man with connections. Where else do you think the booze comes from?
As long as it keeps coming.
You good?
Who is she, Terrence?
Just some girl I met.
Where? Where did you meet her? How do you know someone who dresses like that? Why, Terrence? Why do this to me? Oh, and why now?
Took your time. Tommy, right? I hid the gun in the john in the stern. Mid-deck.
Where's Stern?
Next floor up. Right above us. Key's on the table there.
You ever say my name again, and you'll be found floating outside. Get that?
Yeah, I get that.
I'll vote for him. And I do more than vote for the dames he invites to his parties.
I do know you. You're with Salieri.
What are you gonna do about it?
Well, I'm gonna give you a beat for starters. Found ya! Son of...
Come on. Where the fuck are you?
Hey, John. Hope you're enjoying yourself.
As long as the bar stays open, Counselor.
Good man. Have another for me, huh? Good to see you. Thanks for coming.
thank you, everyone. Yeah, thank you. Hey, welcome to my...